Alright, that's fine. Alright, hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, continuing the 7-11 pack series. We're opening today is these pack of, cards. They're just 8 gaming cards plus 1, plus, rare. This isn't, yeah, it says rare card or a chance to plus 50% chance of ultra rare or plus 1 ultra rare card. Probably a scam though. So let me zoom out a bit. Clean up the camera angle a bit. All right, here we go. Let's open this bad boy. I don't know why some cards are like this. I'll put all the flipped cards down. Oh boy. Ah, God, I gotta move it all the way over there. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Let me focus on make it no. Okay, never mind. Magnetite. Crystal. Upside down. Metal energy, I think. I'm not that great with energies. Dark Cloak, that might be the rare. By Fusion Strike, I think that's one of the new packs. Hippopotas, I think that is. Tropius. Pern Plus. Switch. Oh! That's a nice card. Oh god, oh, stop touching it, Jesus. Let me put it on the other pile. Oh, good lord. This is freaking awesome. Okay, let's pick this up very carefully. Cinderace V. Get that in there. That is a nice card. Damn. Put these excuse me, normal cards back in here. There you go. Oh, actually, now I see it. It is plus 1 ultra rare card. So I guess this was guaranteed. Not this card, but an ultra rare. Damn. This is only $6 too, so technically all it really needs is like a reverse, and then it's basically a cheaper version of a normal booster pack. I'm gonna put this in my collection box. Just take everything out quickly. There should be one more card in here. Yeah, I feel it. In this booster pack, I'm gonna put the cards from here. Oh, good lord. Sorry, I just fumbled my whole tripod. So that's in there. These are all my, not exactly, well, yeah, rares. This is just a foil card I got from my McDonald's video. You can't really see the, in the whole, when my sleeves just dropped. Yeah, you can't really see the foil on it, but then we got my 3 ultra rares. 1 Cinderace V, Giratina V, and Full Art Arcanine, which I will put in here because I don't exactly have a place to put these yet. I don't think this will fit in here. Oh, it does too. Lovely. Basically, this is how I'm storing my cards, if any one of you are asking. There we go. Boom, perfect. Close goes back in. Slides back up. Damn. And that will be in the background of most of my videos. And also, if you guys forgot, this is the pack that you get from McDonald's. That 4 cards in it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment down below, or right here, I guess. And subscribe to the ones around here. And then, turn on that bell to receive all notifications. That'd be lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out.